Welcome to December, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, traders from around the entire globe. We have 3 new challenges for this month. December is Clutter Month. Your goal? Clean it out. I know you got that drawer in your kitchen with all the paper bags and all the random things in there and the newspaper clippings and the rubber bands. Clean it out, donate, give, throw away, burn, destroy, throw it in the trash, whatever it needs. Get rid of the stuff, clean up that house, and make it look delicious. Then you have your real challenge. This is the physical challenge, the tough challenge we do every single month at Real Life Trading. In December, we're doing a calendar club challenge for jump ropes. Your boy Calvin behind the camera inspired this one. And what we're gonna be doing is 100 jump ropes times the day. So day 1, 100 jump ropes. Doesn't have to be in a row, meaning you don't have to do it without tripping or without stopping, but you just wanna do 100 repetitions. About 3,100 repetitions on the last day of December will probably take you about 30 to 45 minutes. It won't be that bad. So make sure you put this one on your challenge. It's gonna be really good fun and we're gonna get ripped. Then your trading challenge for the month of December. I want you to get into a short collar. A short collar is selling shares short, selling a put, which brings in income, using the income from the sold put to buy a protective call option. Now, you can do this with fake money, you can do this with paper trading, or you can do this in your real account. But I want you to do it, practice it, learn from it, and if you have any questions at any time, reach out to me so I can help you with it. Post any questions you have in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get ripped and rich